In the construction machinery industry, HAMAC is more than just a name. It is a commitment to every job site. Introducing the DHBT-15 Concrete Mixer with pump. Compact in size, powerful in performance. Built to deliver reliable output even under demanding working conditions. From challenging terrains to diverse construction environments around the world, HAMAC machines continue to prove their stability and efficiency because we understand that on every construction site, time matters. Excellence begins with the details. Reinforced, wear-resistant mixing blades ensure every cubic meter of concrete is blended evenly. An advanced hydraulic power system delivers strong and stable pumping over long distances. An industrial-grade cooling system keeps the machine running smoothly, even in high-temperature environments. Before leaving the factory, every HAMAC mixer pump undergoes rigorous dynamic fatigue testing. By simulating real working conditions, we make sure each machine performs reliably when it arrives at your construction site. HAMAC Concrete Mixer Pumps, helping you build higher, farther, and stronger. Visit our website to discover customized construction solutions for your next project.